Hello. So I've done several things since last week. One of the things I've done has been adding input sanitization to any of my inputs. So I've done this to store and update clients. It wasn't, and I'll just show you one because it's the same on both. So with both, I've got my validator that validates their name, so that immediately removes white spaces, checks invalidator just removes white spaces and checks the length, but it doesn't actually change the client name input. So if I then if they take a horrible input, remove the spaces, check the length, and then still add the horrible input to the database, then it's not really input sanitization. For email, as it has to be in the structure of an email, uh, that's already sanitized when it goes in. So if it isn't, then it just will never be added to the database. Will never be sent to the database. So don't worry about that. Phone number, same as email. It has to match a certain format, or else it won't be added. All non-numerical digits are removed. So I'm not worried about that. But I was still adding the names. So what I've done is everything I've done here. I was looking up how you do this, and I also had a book on PHP, which I will add to my bibliography. So it's the only book on PHP I'm adding. So yeah, if you want to have a look, but it told me I need to trim it first, which I did, and then I need to use the filter to sanitize it. Actually, I didn't get from the books, right? I got it from documentation on the from the actual like PHP website. So here I take post, I get rid of all the white space, I believe. And then here on filter, I then actually use the filter sanitize string function. And then it's been sanitized and I add it in. And I tested this, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you. Here we are. I screenshotted all my tests. So, where is it? Right. As you can see now, if I add the input, instead of showing the alert, which it would have shown otherwise, and it did when I first did it, it just adds it to the database as like text. So it doesn't show an alert, it just says my name is alert, yada yada, just before it said hello at the top. And then if you go out, my name is alert, yada yada. So fortunately, it's now input sanitized, so you can't do anything terrible to my website, I hope. Oh yeah, I took the thing out. I took the nasty input from AI, just asked it to generate something that would do that. So yeah, my input sanitization works. I'm very pleased with that. All right, thank you.